Hi everybody, I want to show you how I like to bind off my loom knitted pieces that are worked on both sides, on the pegs on both edges, in a way that more closely matches the starting edge. It's a little bit stretchy, not super stretchy, but it also doesn't have those yarn over gaps that some methods have. I keep forgetting how I'm doing this, so I'm going to record this both for you and for me so that the next time I have to do it, I'm not like, wait, how did I do that? I'm not going to use my loom pick. I'm actually going to use a crochet hook just because it's a little bit easier in this situation. I'm going to start with my last knitted peg over here on the right, mostly because I'm right-handed. I'm going to leave my working yarn kind of laying in between the two sets of pegs. To start with, I'm going to grab the loop from the peg on one side and then the loop from the peg on the other side so that I have both of them on my hook. Then I'm going to wrap my yarn around my hook and pull it through both of those loops. Not pull it super tight, just kind of so they're through. Then I'm going to do the same thing again, grabbing my loops from both sides. It's probably best if you keep this consistent on which side you grab first. It's not super important though. So now I have 3 sets of loops. 2 from my pegs, 1 from the last one that I did. I'm going to yarn over and go through those first 2 off the peg. And then I'm going to yarn over and go through the 2 loops I have left on my hook. And I'm going to repeat. So I'm going to grab them off the pegs, yarn over, go through those first 2 that just came off the pegs, yarn over, and go through the 2 that are left on my hook. I've got 2 more sets of pegs, so I'm going to do the same thing again. Keeping this yarn in the middle kind of hides it. It makes it look the same on both sides instead of having kind of a weird like loop that goes around the sides of it. So yarning over and going through those 2 that came off the loop, or sorry, off the pegs, and then yarning over and going through the 2 that are left on my hook. And I have 1 more set. Pull them off, yarn over and go through the 2 from the pegs, yarn over and go through those last 2. And as you can see, it more closely matches the sizing and it more closely matches the look of the 2 sides. So I still have this last loop on my hook. I'm going to go ahead and cut my yarn with enough length so that I can hide that edge. And then I'm going to yarn over 1 more time and pull that through. You also, instead of yarning over, truthfully, because it's like a crocheted edge, let me undo that, I could just pull this through and it would still be cinched. And it hides it a little bit better. So now I can weave those in and no one will know they were there.